Hi there! Have you heard the statement, work smarter, not harder? Did you even spend time to reflect on it? On how can be benefit for you and your family? My name is Adela, a mom of 3 grown-up boys, and now a stay-home mom enjoying my golden years. I could remember more than 20 years ago when we just arrived in Australia, we have to work hard because we're not able to practice our profession because we need to qualify their standards. But we realized at that time that to make our big dreams possible, we need to work smarter, not harder. We enter so many ways that we can earn extra income, not just our full-time job. While watching this video, allow me to share with you the business opportunity that I have found. Because I am now staying home, but I was still looking some ways that can sustain my lifestyle and continue my desire to support my loved ones overseas. And this business is portable and flexible, and it has the power of automation, so it is coming with me wherever I go, as long as there is the internet connection and my smartphone. So if you are still looking for some ways that can help you improve your resources so you can work less and can spend more time with your loved ones, check this out. Register your name and email address to watch our business info so you can decide if this business can help you. I can only share my life experiences that it is really a good thing to have more resources of income so we can save quicker and sooner than relying on working 30 years in the long run. Check it out, register your name, your email address, and watch the webinar. And if you had more questions, just connect with me and we can chat more about it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will have the time to reflect on how to work smarter, not harder. Bye now.